In this fifth part of the Vedic Math video, we will solve the multiplication of two numbers which are near to the subbase. We will solve this multiplication by using simple addition and multiplication of two single digit numbers. Hello everyone, I am Nana and I make videos related to Vedic Maths for making it simple to do the multiplication. So I have made till now 4 videos. If you have not seen my 4 videos, then I will recommend you to see my those 4 videos first, so that you can have better understanding of this video. So let's start our today's topic, which is multiplication of two numbers if the two numbers are nearer to a subbase. Okay, if the numbers are near to subbase. Okay, so what is subbase now? Bases which we have done earlier also in previous videos. Base we were considering till now 10, 100, 1000 like this. Okay, now subbase is what? The value which is in between them. Like suppose my base can be 200, my base can be 400, my base can be 300, 500 like this. Okay, so these will be the sub base values. Okay, so we will follow almost the similar steps which we have done till now. We will use some additional steps also. Most of the steps will remain same. So see what we were doing in our previous videos. Step number 1 was that we have to split our value such that it is nearer to 200 by 13. Okay, so this time my base is what? My base is 200. Okay, for both the values my base is 213 plus 13. Okay, and similarly 202 is how much above the 200? It is above 200 by plus 2 only, right? So what we do in our step number 2? We do addition of these two values and multiplication of these two values, right? So when we will do addition of these two values, then what you will get? You will get 215, and multiplication of these two values you will get plus 26, right? So what is my step number 3? My step number 3 is my base is 200. So how can I get 200? If I will multiply 100 by 2, then I will get 200 as base. So in the step number 3, you have to multiply your this left hand side value by this extra value which you have used to get your base. That means if I will multiply 100 by 2, then I will get my base value. So I will multiply my left hand side value with this extra value, which is 2. So what I will get? I will get 430. So my final answer will be what? 430 is my left hand side, and my right hand side will be what? My right hand side will be 26. Let's take another example. 497 into 493. Okay, so you can see that these both the values are nearer to what? Nearer to 500. So 497 into minus 3. This time both are less than 500. So what I will write down? I will write down minus 3. Okay, so if I will do addition and multiplication of these two values, this is my step number 1, and my step number 2 is what? My step number 2 is I will do addition of these two values. Then what I will get? 497 minus 0.7. Consider this sign also. When you will do addition of these two values, then you will get what? You will get 490. And from here what you will get? You will get plus 21. So now step number 3 is what? How I can get 500? I can get 500 if I will multiply 100 by 5. So similarly in my step number 3, what I will do? I will do 490 into 5, which will give me what? Which will give me 2450. So 2450 is my left hand side and 21 is my right hand side. So let's take the third example. This is a small tricky one, right? So let's see what trick we can use here. So see, now one value is above my base and one value is below my base, but the base for both of them is 200. Okay, so how I can write down 206? 206 is how much above than 200? It is above than 200 by 6. And 197 is how much above than 200? It is above than 200 by 3. Okay, so if I will do, this was my step number 1. In my step number 2, what I have to do? I will do addition of these two values and multiplication of these two values. So if I will do addition of these two values, then what I will get? 206 minus 03, I will get 203. And if I will do multiplication of these two values, then what I will get? I will get minus 18. Okay, so what is my step number 3 now? My step number 3 is that my base is 200. So how I can write down 200? I can write down 200 by 100 into 2. So what I will do? I will do multiplication of my left hand side with this value. I will get 406, right? So remember that I have told you in my previous videos also that if one value is above the base and one value is below the base, then we do one extra step, which is what? We do subtraction of this value from my nearer base value. That means we will do subtraction from 100. So if I will do subtraction from 100, then what I will get? I will get 82. Okay, 100 minus 18 will be 82. And what we do? We have got 406 in the left hand side part. We subtract 1 from this. So we will get 405. So this will be my answer. Okay, so these are the similar steps this is the similar step which we have done in our previous videos. This is the similar step which we have done in our previous video. This is the only new step you have to take care while solving if the base is not equal to 10, 100 or 1000. So what you have to do extra step is that you have to multiply your left hand side value with this extra value. Okay, so if you have not seen my previous videos, so please see my previous videos of Vedic Math. In those videos I have explained each and every step in detail. These are going to help you in your exam. You will be able to solve your questions, calculations within few seconds if you will follow these kind of steps, right? So let us take the fourth example, that 212 into 188. So it will give you what? 212 is base C. Again C, base is what? Base is 200. One value is above the base and one value is below the base. So this is somewhat similar question which we have done in the third question. So 188, how I can write down 188 is how much less than 200? It is less than 200 by 12. So do the addition of this value and do the multiplication of this value. So what you will get? When you will do addition, you will get 200, and from here you will get how much? You will get 144. So this was my step number 1. This was my step number 2. This now my step number 3. Step number 3 is what? Now another step is added. We have done it earlier also. See, the base is, how many digits are there? 2 zero digits are there. So how many digits are allowed at the last? Only 2 digits are allowed at the last, but we are having this time 3 digits. So what we do? If I am having any extra digit, we subtract. Okay, so before doing subtraction, we have to do our step. 200 into 2 is equal to 400. 100 into 2 is equal to 200. So that means this time I have to do 200 multiply by 2, which will give me 400. Okay, this is done. Now moving to step number 4. So step number 4 says what? First check whether the number of digits allowed are there at the left hand side or not. So how many digits are allowed at the left side, at the right side? There are 2 zeros, so 2 digits are allowed only, but I am having how many digits? 3 digits. So what I will do? I will subtract this extra digit from my value. What I will get? I will get 399. Now this was the step for checking of number of digits at the right hand side. Now the step 4, because my one value is above the base and one value is below the base, so now I will do that extra step which says that I have got the result as 399 and 44. So now what does this step says? Do the subtraction of this value from base value 100 and subtract 1 from this value. So what you will get? You will get 398 and here you will get 56. So your answer will be 398 into 56. Okay. Please add your comments in the comment box. If you are having any doubts or if you like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So in the next video, so that you can see my next videos. So in the next video, we will solve such kind of questions in which your first digit is same. See, my first digit is same and the last digit gives me the sum of either 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay, for example, how to do fast multiplication of 42 into 48, 45 into 45, and next I can give you another example, 304 into 306. Okay, you can see that the first digit of both the numbers is same and both the second digit gives me the sum of 10 or 100. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get updates of my new videos. And if you have any doubts related to any topic, then send me the topic on my mentioned email ID. So in the next video, we will solve the multiplication of two numbers if the first digit is same and the second digit of the two numbers gives us the sum of 10, 100 and so on. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.